area early next week. Before
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, the Tapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 12:30 a.m. At 10:21 p.m., the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots over Toll Chester Beach, moving east at 15 knots. Additional thunderstorms are expected to develop over the waters this evening. This thunderstorm will be near Phoenix Shoal, Still Pond. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
here is the regional weather synopsis. A frontal boundary